We were focusing on pieces that showed like the scope of his work, from his pop art works to his traditional revival pots to his more politically active sculptures, like the Pope and Missing and Murdered Indigenous Women and the Sullivan Campaign pot.
For us as Haudenosaunee people, his art is significant because he helped revitalize a lost art practice that was disrupted due to European influence, specifically like pottery making.
There isn't a lot of contemporary Native art around. To see his artwork here is really awesome, especially because he is Onondaga as well as Seneca. So just to have Onondaga artwork on Onondaga land is amazing.
A lot of people here are coming from like different places, so I think it's also important to educate students and the community on the people who have been living here and who still do live here.
This is Generations, and it depicts a man singing to the generations, which are depicted on the bottom. In Haudenosaunee beliefs, we believe that the unborn are underneath the ground and then they come up through the ground to become the next generation. And so he's singing to the generations underground, and the green is for renewal and rebirth.
This is The Bear Effigy by Peter Jones. Physically, I think it's an interesting sculpture to look at. I love the sloping form and also the colors. Narrative-wise, it informs people of the clan system, which is an important aspect of Haudenosaunee culture.
The whole point of Peter's art is to show that we are still alive, we are still a continuous culture, and we continue to grow and innovate.
Being Haudenosaunee myself, it was very nice to revisit a lot of the issues and stories that Jones presents within his work. As an artist myself, seeing Jones's work and the way that he presents certain aspects of our culture has also inspired me artistically.
I hope people take away that there are endless possibilities for Indigenous art and we are not just stuck in the past. And I hope other Indigenous people see it and become inspired to do their own work and go into the field of museum curating.